Have you ever wished you could clone yourself to guide each client through their journey even when you're not there? That's exactly why we created programs in Quenza. Programs are structured sequences of activities that automatically guide your clients step by step toward their goals. It's like having a personalized roadmap delivered at just the right time. Let me show you how to set this up. What you're seeing here is your personal program library. This is your personal space where all your programs are stored. As you can see, I already have a few programs, but let's create a brand new one so you can see how it works from scratch. To begin, click the Add Program button in the upper right corner. First, give your program a title. Let's call this one Test, but of course you can name it anything that fits your purpose. Just like with activities, your program has three main tabs. The first one is Content. This is where you build and structure the actual flow of your program. The second one is Instructions. Here you can leave private notes for yourself. These are not visible to your client, so it's perfect for reminders or instructions. The third tab is Settings. In this tab, you can personalize your program, add a cover image, a short description, and categorize it with formats to keep your library organized and searchable. Let's go back to the Content tab and start building. Click the Add Activity or Section button and choose Activity. You'll now see a placeholder for your new activity. To edit this activity, click the pencil icon. This opens the activity editor in a new window. Let's give this activity a title, Step 1. From here, you can build your activity just like you would in the regular activity build. Once you're happy, click Save and then use the navigation in the top left to return to your program. You'll now see that Step 1 has been added as the first activity in your program. If you want to reuse an activity you've already created, click Add Activity or Section and then choose Load Activity. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing activities. Simply select the one you want and it will be added directly to your program. From here, you can edit it or even duplicate it for further customization. To give your program a clear structure, you can also use sections. Sections help you group activities like chapters in a book or modules in a course. Click Add Activity or Section and then select Section. Now you can name your sections, for example, Introduction and Chapter 2. Each section can contain multiple activities, and you can continue adding as many sections or activities as you need. If you created a great activity within the program and you want to reuse it later, you can click the three dots next to the activity and then choose Save to Library. Now it's available in your personal activity library, ready to send a standalone activity or reuse in other programs. When everything looks good, click Save at the top to store your program. If you don't want to start from scratch, that's no problem. We've created pre-made programs that you can use right away. To access them, go to the Programs section and click on Pre-made. Here you will find a curated list of programs designed by our team, covering a wide range of themes, and we continuously add new ones. If you want to add a program to your library, just click on it. For example, the 6-week ACT program here. You'll see an overview of the entire structure, and you can even preview each activity. Click Add to Library and it's instantly added to your personal collection, fully customizable and ready to send. And that's how you create programs in Quenza. I hope you have a better idea how to build your own step-by-step journeys that keep your clients engaged and moving forward, even between sessions. Thanks for watching.